Here's how to play Please Donate on Roblox. So first of all, open your Roblox application or go to roblox.com. Then simply go ahead and find the Please Donate game and tap on this play button over here. Now tap on Open Roblox Game Client. And here, once you're inside the game, go to the stand and choose the amount that you want to donate. Tap on the Robux icon, then tap on Donate. And to receive donations, you can go to an unclaimed stand and go ahead and tap on this E button over here to claim the stand. If a tutorial pops up, you can dismiss it. To add donation buttons, hold the E again to edit the booth, and you can customize the booth's design and text. To add donation buttons, you need to go to the Roblox website, open a new tab, and type in create.roblox.com. Then go to Creations, and it will have your name and place in the title. Now, in your experience, find passes under monetization and create a pass. You can add an image to make it more appealing. Give the pass a name and a description, and then create the pass. The pass will not be for sale by default, so you need to click on the pass you created. Then go to the sales section and enable the item for sale toggle. Set the price. Enter the amount of the Robux that you want to save as a donation amount. Remember that Roblox takes a 30% tax and you will receive 70% of the amount. Save the changes, and you can create more passes for different donation amounts. Now return to Roblox and claim an unclaimed stand and please donate. You should now see the donation buttons you created. When someone donates, the Robux will be pending for a certain period before it's added to your balance, so be patient. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.